People often ask, are these natural lakes? No. They were imagined, designed, and created with a much larger purpose: to restore the ecosystem, to improve groundwater levels, to create thriving habitats for birds, aquatic life, and native flora. Because building a greener future takes intention. Today, 5 man-made lakes conserve 25.4 crore litres of water across Grape County's 300-acre landscape. This paradise wasn't discovered. It was built with vision.